Alright guys, so on this video I am going to show you how to manage your Google storage, and also if you want to delete or increase your Google storage. Probably you are having storage issue. This video is for you. Now the first thing to do is to go ahead and download this particular application. If you do not have it yet, go ahead and search for Google One. Now, search for Google One. This is the exact application, and also make sure that the application is published by Google LLC. Now, if it's confirmed that it's Google LLC, go ahead and install. After installing it, click on Open. Now, if probably you have downloaded it previously, you are going to see it right here, Google One. This is the exact application. Click on it to have it open. Now, after you might have opened this application, it for the first time is going to show you different interface from this. Just click on Next, and then you click on Get Started. Now, after you click on Get Started, it's going to bring you to this area. So from this area, you can see that it's displaying how many percent of your Google storage you have. I have only used 1.5 gig of 15 gig that is allocated to me. Now, if I scroll down further, you can see it introduced different products and different things for me. Now, if you want to increase your storage size, you notice the top area, this menu on the top left area, click on that, and you are going to see options that says membership plan, settings and help. Click on membership plan. Now, when you click on membership plan, you are going to be brought to the area where you subscribe to other plans. Now, there is different plan from 100 gig, 400 gig, and so you can go ahead and choose the one you want. Notice the price that is actually you will actually be paying. Now, you can either be paying this amount monthly if you want, or you can pay them yearly. Choose the exact amount you want to be paying, and you are good to go. But if you do not want to use Google to store your photos and images, all you need to do is to go back, and on this home page, when you open the application, you can notice where it says clean up, which is deleting your files so that it's not going to make your storage to be full. Click on view. Now, when you click on view, it is going to display you so many files and medias to delete. Now, on this area, you can go ahead and choose what or particular application where you want to delete from. Now, you notice it says my last drive is actually 586. It's going to show everything, and if you scroll down a bit, it is going to display you each application that is using the most storage. Now, the highest is my Gmail, which is actually using 751. If I click on it, I'll be able to see my Gmail, and I'll be able to delete files from my Gmail. Now, for some reason, this could not load. I have a poor internet also, so excuse me for that. Now, the next, you can also check your Google Drive. So you can click on your Google Drive, select and delete anything that you probably do not want on your Google Drive. Now, there are so many things you can do, but deleting your file is actually going to help you to maintain your storage. If not, you are going to be consuming even more storage than you can actually make use of, because that is actually the best way. So if you do not want to delete anything, you can actually go ahead and use the payment plan and use a different payment plan. But I will recommend you guys to actually go ahead and delete files that are going to be consuming too much storage on your device, or store it somewhere else. On a different video, I am going to show you where you can store your file to actually have it not affect your device. So if you have further questions regarding this, please let me know on the comment section. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.